So, beards. Super attractive to me personally. Apparently super hard to maintain with super expensive oils and stuff you can buy that smells deliciously. To me personally again, well. And also only the stuff Patrick buys, I don't know, maybe I'm biased. And super nerve-wracking if you can't grow one exactly like you would like to have it, apparently. I totally understand that, even though I'm mostly plugging mine. You actually need only 2 things to grow a beard. Only 2? You might think, this is defo clickbait. What should I do? Should I shave my beard again and again until the hair gets stronger? No clickbait, promise. I am telling the truth, but at the same time, you cannot influence any of the 2 because, as you probably guessed by now, it's all biology in this channel. No, it does not help shaving your beard again and again and expect the hair to revolve to this by growing thicker or bringing more friends. That's actually a myth, that by shaving, hair grows back thicker or darker. The only thing you can do is cut off the more used and thus thinner part of your hair, and the thicker and therefore darker part of your hair gets more contrast and is more visible. But what do you need to grow a gorgeous, thick, eye-catching beard? Firstly, testosterone. Testosterone is a sex hormone and is mostly associated with strong alpha male kind of humans, but that's a misconception because we all have testosterone. Males as well as females, and it is not just affecting the male sex drive or the male hair growth, but also the female sex drive and the female hair growth on the entire body, thank you very much, as well as many other things like muscle mass or even the pitch of your voice. But yes, the mean male has a higher testosterone level than the mean female, and it basically isn't even just creating more hair, but it leads to the hair that is there becoming darker and thicker. And now you might think, so more facial hair equals more testosterone means more manly? No, that is not the case either. You see, there have been tons of studies of this across several ethnic groups, and no, not having a beard does not mean you have less testosterone, because you need this little ingredient, the genes, for it. It is not a single gene, of course. Oh, life as a scientist would be so much easier if stuff only depended on one gene, am I right? Now, the genes needed are coding the hair follicle. This is a little sac-like thing in your skin all over your body where hair grows out of. The hair actually grows at the very bottom of the follicle, and as more and more cells are created, the hair reaches the surface of our skin and becomes visible to us. I just remembered that I saw a TikTok the other day where a girl was surprised by the fact that hair basically grows out of the skull and not at the tips, and I was like, well, duh. But then again, if you think about trees which grow at the top and not from the ground out at the trunk, then this would actually make sense in some way. Why am I talking about trees? Hairs, follicles, testosterone, right. So not every follicle responds to the hormone testosterone in the same way, which is also why a beard is only on specific parts of the face and not all over the body. So this genetic variation you can have is huge, and you might have follicles which react super aggressively to testosterone. What? Why aggressively? Like the follicle's like, ah, testosterone! Take that hair, you hormone! Oh god. This video is a mess. I should concentrate. So the ability of a follicle to react to testosterone so that hair grows thicker and darker out of it is depending on your genes, on what your parents and your parents' parents have given your face to work with. Just like your hair or eye color does. And shaving does not help matters, sorry. But hey, I can make up for it by giving you more random facts about the human body, behavior, and cognition on this channel, so feel free to subscribe and check out the videos already available, as well as keep an eye out for the next one, which will be about orgasms in our sleep.